Every life's worth fighting for. These heroic volunteers proved that when they rescued 6 abandoned dogs in a locked cage. If they had come a few minutes later, the poor animals would have been drowned.
Come on, puppy. It's okay. Come on. That's a cat.
Never in my life. Oh, there's more, Jason. I just seen a kitten jump on the ground. Look, you hear it? I just saw it jump in the water.
These men were fishing on the Warrior River when they found a pair of kittens in the cold water. They quickly let these little passengers get on the boat and give them a ride back home for free. This baby long-tailed macaque got his head stuck in a plastic jar. Animal rescuers caught and freed him. Monkey had no major injuries and was taken care of until his health improved. The concerned New Yorkers saw a puppy locked in a car for over 2 hours and called 911. The police arrived shortly. They broke the window, took the distressed puppy out, and took him to the vet.
Okay, watch out for the bus.
This female sea elephant named Tama went into a very deep hole, created by the erosion of groundwater, to shed her skin and fur. Many people worked hard to make a path for Tama to get out and back to the beach. Man found a stingray stranded in the mud. He carefully picked the fish up and released it to the water, where it belonged.
Drowning.
Skip Campbell was walking near Cottage Park in Sacramento when he saw a cat struggling in the flood. Without hesitation, Skip jumped into the water to save the kitten. He saved the animal's life and was trying to give her a new shelter as well. Stingrays are venomous, and rescuers may be injured, but they still managed to save the stingray, who already suffered from serious wounds from the gill net.
Shh, it's okay. Under her bum. Come on, one push, one push.
A group of volunteers has rescued a horse that was stuck in a deep mud hole with ice around the edges in the foothills of Alberta, Canada. Hours of hard work has been spent into saving the poor animal.
Get your hay, Darla. Where's your hay?
It's not my fault.
How about you not run away yet?
This female cat named Blossom had a wound on her previous leg that wasn't healed completely yet. That's why she couldn't get over the fence. Thankfully, her new mum didn't let her suffer like this for too long.
被夹住了，哎，唔撈咧。沒錯。
Firefighters were called to rescue a baby monkey trapped between a rock crevice in a park in southern China. The animal was saved without any major injuries.
There we go. How about this?
We're impressed.
Rescuing a stingray stranded on a beach during rapid low tide. Don't touch the fish directly because you may hurt yourself. This is how you should save the animal.
There you go.
Work with me.
All right. Sure looks stuck. Hey, you sure look stuck.
Baby goat should be more careful with her horns next time. Thanks to humans' help, she could run back to her mummy's arms and go home. A baby elephant fell down this deep hole and couldn't get out on its own. People had to use the excavator to make a path to free the animal. The elephant didn't walk away immediately. Maybe it was trying to say thanks. The goat was stuck in the mud near a lake and crying for people's help. This man responded and quickly came to save the animal. Your kindness can save a creature's life and makes their earth a much better place. Many kittens were found trapped in this building during the flood. Man had to act quickly to avoid them being drowned and frozen. Marine ancient citizen turtle begged humans to help when having fishing lines wrapped across its body. The animal was in pain and couldn't move freely. Humans didn't let the animal down and quickly removed the items around him.
Come here.
A seal getting trapped in a special kind of belt, which is much thicker than commercial and recreational fishing lines, which are designed to be undetectable by marine life. While it's easy to spot by humans, for seals, the strap can be an irresistible toy, but it can harm the animal.
Hey buddy, you got yourself in a pinch here, huh?
Another deer found stuck in the fence. As humans are taking over more and more space on the earth, animals often run straight into troubles created by humans like these. Help them to minimize the loss.
Whoa, 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 easy, 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 easy.
Let me see this.
Oh my gosh.
The happy ending of a deer rescuing story has ended today's video. See you soon with more heartwarming moments. Thanks for watching.
Yay.